Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to propagate philodendron. Actually my philodendron vine is getting so long, so I thought to propagate it. Let's check how to propagate it. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. So guys, this is my philodendron vine. Look at this stem. This is going so long and going to touch the floor. So I will cut this stem and going to propagate from this stem. You have to first recognize the nodes here. This is the node. This one is another node. Roots will come out from this nodes only. These are aerial roots which will convert into roots, main roots. Unfortunately, this node is not good. So I will cut just above 1 inch from this node. I'm using a sterilized scissor to prevent my plant from get any disease. This is the cutting. This one is another cutting. I will propagate from this. You have to cut just under 1 inch from the node. Just 1 inch under the node. Okay, I'm cutting this one. Actually this node is not so good, that's why I will not use this stem. I don't need this stem, so I am cutting it down and just above 1 inch from the node. uh, this is not required, so I am cutting this just above the node. I will keep this whole. Okay, I'm not cutting it. I will keep this. Okay, here I've also cut just above 1 inch from the node, and I will keep this also. I have prepared the potting soil with coco peat, gardening soil, and perlite. This is the potting soil mix. I will moisten the soil first, just a little bit of water to moisten the soil, and bunch up all cuttings, and just doing a hole with my finger and putting it in soil. I will put the aerial root in the soil. Then I'm going to put all the cuttings in the soil. Actually, some of them will not sustain. You have to keep this in mind. There will be one or two casualty. I'm putting all the cuttings in the soil. I'm going to keep this pot in my west facing window where it will get a good amount of sunlight, and I will water it twice a week. Mm, uh, so I think it will grow first. After putting all the cutting in the soil, I'm adding some more soil just over the cuttings. Then I will add some water to make the soil moist. You don't need to wet the soil, you just have to moist the soil. Hope you like this video, and it will help you to propagate philodendron very easily.